Welcome to our channel. We are thrilled to have you join us on this journey towards a healthier and happier life. In this video, we will be sharing valuable information, tips, and advice on how to improve your overall well-being and lead a more balanced lifestyle. Health and wellness are essential components of a fulfilling life. It is not just about being free from illness, but also about taking proactive steps to maintain and enhance your physical, mental, and emotional health. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to make positive changes in your life and achieve your health and wellness goals. Whether you are looking to lose weight, boost your immune system, improve your mental health, or simply lead a more balanced lifestyle, our blog will provide you with the resources and inspiration you need to succeed. So, get ready to embark on a journey towards better health and wellness with us. Stay tuned for our upcoming posts, where we will dive deeper into various aspects of health and wellness and provide you with practical tips and strategies to help you thrive. Let's make health and wellness a priority and create a life that is vibrant, fulfilling, and full of vitality.